Today, a development of the coronavirus vaccine is the main news. Stocks are rising on his background. However, traders of the European currencies do not show optimism. The fact is that the euro and the pound sterling are moving in the opposite direction amid mixed economic figures from Europe. The British pound rose after the publication of the better-than-expected UK PMI data. The pound-dollar pair has been showing high volatility for the fourth day already. The pair turned back to the psychological level at 1.30 and then rebounded. Economists suppose that the pair will be fluctuating in the range above 1.30 and below 1.3085. In the eurozone, the PMI figures are also quite strong. The eurozone composite PMI increased to 51.3 from 50.9 points. At the same time, the services PMI dropped. However, its reading is above the forecast. Thus, the overall data is quite encouraging. At the same time, the common currency was confidently losing ground to meet weak retail sales data. The indicator fell by 1.6% in the given period. On a yearly basis, the retail sales growth slowed down to 1.2% compared to 2.3%. Economists had expected to rise by 2.5%. Such a slump in the consumer activity can lead to a lower eurozone inflation. The common currency still has a chance to recoup its losses due to the US non-farm employment reports. The fact is that any data on the labor market is on primary importance ahead of the Labor Department report that is due for release on Friday. According to the forecast, the US non-farm employment advanced by 142,000 compared to a rise by 202,000 in the previous months. It's a significant slowdown in the employment growth that can result in the creation of new jobs. At the beginning of the week, the euro-dollar pair managed to hit the 1.1080 level and switched to the downward trend. Today, we can see that the pair has already eased almost 100% of its losses. It means that the quote is likely to test the psychological level of 1.10. It's quite possible that this level is one on the quote. Thus, traders are still recommended to open positions in the range of 1.0980–1.1040. That is all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest news. See you soon.